You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French painter, French artist. We'll be looking at how to say more names from arts that too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned. So in French it's said as Gustave, Gustave, Gustave. So you have this very French U sound. You could replace with an U if you cannot pronounce it very well and say Gustave. Courbet, Courbet is how it's said in French, so you have a silent T. Courbet, you could say. So overall in English, you could say it as Gustave Courbet. Gustave Courbet, from French, proper French, Gustave Courbet. Gustave Courbet is how you'd say it in French in France. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. Now at least you know how to pronounce it properly. And more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.